Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you easy way to change fruit colors in Adobe Photoshop. So I have my image over here. I'll right click this side and select object selection tool. Now with the help of the tool, let's make a selection of some of the apple over here. So I'll make a selection of this one. Let's make another selection. I'll make a selection of this apple too as well. Let me make a selection of this one, and let's go with one last selection. Okay, so let me make a selection of this one. So this will be our last selection. Once you are done with the selection, click the move tool, hold down your control key and press J. So it will be control J to cut it out. Now we've cut out our selected apple images. What we do is click here and select hue saturation. So over here, click this side to clip the hue saturation layer onto our cutout apples over here. Once we are done, let's move with the hue. Let's move the sliders over here. So I'll be moving the hue slider to the left. So I think something like 63, 65 will be okay. So you let's go with minus 65. Then let's reduce the saturation to something like minus 12. Yeah, this is okay. Now click here again and select selective color. Over here, let's select the red color. So with the reds, let's change the saturation. So we'll be giving a saturation of a cyan of, let's say, 30 will be okay. 30 or 31 is okay. Then let's increase the magenta to something like 12. Let's give it a little bit of yellow, so we'll go with plus 5, and let's give it a black of plus 3. Once you are done, click here again and then clip the selective color layer onto the cutout image over here. Click this side again and then select vibrance. So over here, let's increase the vibrance to something like 13. I think 13 is okay. And let's increase the saturation to something like 3. I think this is okay. And then with this one too, click here to clip the vibrance layer onto our cutout image over here. So once we turn this off, so here's the before and then here's the after. Here is the before and here is the after. Okay, so guys, if you like this video and then you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.